Hey everybody, welcome back. Check it out here. We have the VODA. It's a heat-powered stove fan for a fireplace in the house. We wanted a fan that would just go on its own without batteries and try to push some of the heat to the other rooms. So here's what the box looks like. You can see here they want you to put it towards the back of the stove, not the front. Other styles, I got a few different styles you'll see on the next side here. You can get different colors, different models, different blades, but here's the specs on ours. So we'll unbox it and show you what's in there. Okay, here's how it's packaged. I don't know how it's held in there. Start ripping. Not much to it. That's the unit. We got the 4-blader. I don't know, does the code on the top maybe tell us what it is? 4-blade, blah blah blah. 624B, is that on the side here? 624B, yep, it is on there. Okay, well, that's what this is. These things really are quite amazing. Somehow, you can see in the middle there, they've got these little cell things that when the heat heats them up, they make electricity. I mean, that's really all that's to it. And then there's a motor in the center. You can see it's just a free-turning fan. So, tomorrow night, we'll start a fire and we'll put it on there and we'll get some video of it in action. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, here it is going. I started the fire. It didn't take super long, but it just all of a sudden just starts spinning on its own. It's going. It blows some heat. I don't know how much. It doesn't really blow, like spin that fast, but it's moving the heat. And like I said, you know, you want it close to the back, so that's what I did. So yeah, I don't know. Seems to be working. I don't have any scientific proof other than, you know, sitting in my easy chair, it feels a little warmer out in front of it. So far I'll give it a thumb up. Make sure you subscribe.